Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm here. I'm Alan Jensen. What we are doing here is that we are going to mix the soil with the rice hull. This is how we are going to do, is that we have to make the soil fine, and then take some rice hull like this, and we have to pour it like this, and we have to mix it like this.
Okay.
And this is in preparation to put this in the cans like this before watering it and ready to plant the plants. Okay, so keep on following us and keep on watching.
Subscribe.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Subscribe on my YouTube channel.
And subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can share it, you can like it, and you can press the bell button so that you will be updated for our next videos. Right? Okay, I will be thankful for you if you will do that.
That's all.
Oh, pause. Namay pause. Pause niyo? Our next step is to
Ay, Taysa!